Karma means the general activities on moral principle. That is called karma. Karma means, real karma means that you have to live. So you have to work. So work in such a way that you may not be entangled. That's the honest businessman. He works. He works according to the law, and he pays the proper income tax to the government and the other taxes. He does nicely. This is called work, karma. You have to live. Without working, you cannot live. But you work in such a way so that you may not be entangled. That is called work, karma. Now, this work is not a solution of your human life. You can get some morsel of bread and eat and drink and sleep and just enjoy your life and die like constant on. That's all. And then you take with you the result of your good work or bad. That is karma. That is not solution. Then the next stage is, above this karma, this ordinary general people, there is a class. They are thinkers. They are thinkers. Whether this is the solution of life. The thinkers, some of them are dry thinkers. They have no knowledge, but they think only. They do not get the source of knowledge from higher authorities. They manufacture their own meaning. So apart from that, those are bona fide thinkers. They are called Jñāni. Jñāni means that this process of karma cannot make solution of life. Now they put some philosophical thesis that this is the solution. They are called Jñāni. And the others, the Yogi, they meditate. So what they meditate? They meditate, they concentrate the whole senses and put the focus in the soul and the super soul. So their endeavor is to reestablish the super soul who is sitting in my heart. That is yoga system. So all these systems can be adjusted only in one system, Krishna Consciousness. That is the version of all the Shastras, all the Purana. And for that, if you want God, then you don't try to follow all these processes. You just try to follow devotion and service to the Lord. Krishna Consciousness. That will please Krishna. And then by his pleasing, he will reveal to you. He revealed to you. God being pleased with your sincere service and love, he will let you know, just like Arjuna is being instructed by the Supreme Lord. And he said, my dear Arjuna, I am speaking to you the most confidential part of knowledge. So, if we become friends like Arjuna to Krishna, then Krishna will reveal himself. As he is revealing himself, I am this, I am that, I am this, I am that, and the concrete. So, if you actually want to reestablish your lost relationship with Krishna and God, then you have to adopt this Krishna consciousness and nothing more. The Lord said, Sarva dharman parityajya mami tang saranam vraja. Give up everything. Just surrender unto me. This is the most confidential part of knowledge. So give up everything means there are different processes, ritualistic processes, different religious processes, philosophical processes, meditation, so many. Give up. Simply surrender to Krishna. Thank you.